Hello, welcome to a brand new Christmas season. I'm going to paint an easy Christmas greeting card today. I hope you enjoy painting along with me. The sketch is ready and I'm going to make two similar cards with different writings. I'm using my liner pen for the fine details of the stem of the mistletoe. This is a greeting card and hence I'm using a liner pen. However, for regular watercolor painting, I normally use my watercolor liner brush. These liner pens dry very quickly, so I can immediately remove the pencil marks with my eraser. And I'm going to write a different note on the second card. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. See you soon with more videos.